um, posting India remittance challan. In that you see you have like this. Okay, maintain. This is step number 21, 22, 23. 22, 20. Now same way we have for withholding tax certificates, we have like this, you see. Same again, 24, 25, 26. 21, 22, 23, 24 for the remittance challan, this is for the tax certificate. Okay? Yeah, I'll give you time, please note down. Note on the part. Single go, one single go you can take for all the 6 steps. All the 6 steps you can take like background noise.
Sir, just to mute it for now, sir.
Note on the part. I've told you, right, all of you guys, that today there is a class, correct?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It was clear, right? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There was no confusion as such, no?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
What classes, sir?
Sir, people are still missing, sir.
No, some of them are missing, so I'm just worried, like if they could not get the message or something like that.
What classes is there, sir?
Tomorrow, if we don't complete today, then we will have.
Yeah,
So we will complete. Okay?
okay.
Done.
So now things will speed up now because I said tomorrow there will be class now. So now it will go faster. Yeah. So now, so step number 21. Maintain number groups. Okay, click on this now. Okay, now number groups for internal challan numbers. Okay, click on the new entries. Now what is my company code?
TEEE.
TEE, correct? Now section code is 194. Correct. Now tax key 194. Correct. Number group, I am giving a group name as 001. Okay. So what is this? This is a combination, like, you know. So I am creating a combination like this. Okay. So if it is this company code and this section code plus HYD, one background noise, plus 194C, then it will be group 001. Same way, same company code, place something like Warangal 1 and 194C, it will be group 002. So like that I can have different combinations. Okay. And for number group I will give like this. Okay, 001 I will maintain 1 lakh series. You understand? So the challan numbers for this combination will be coming from the 1 series. You understand? So as soon as I see 1 series, I know that it is belonging to Hyderabad and 194C section. Correct. That is the reason why we are maintaining the number groups. Okay. That is the reason why we are maintaining the number groups. Here everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the number group for the remittance challan. This is the number group for the TDS certificate. Okay. Group for the TDS. So now I am going to do like this. Okay. Next, that is my withholding tax. Enter. Next, go back, and then click on the assign number range to number groups and number ranges to number groups. Okay, assign number ranges to number groups. Click on this. Then 001, 01 I will give. 001 and 01 I will give. Click on the save option. Enter. Next. Okay, note on that.
New entry.
Yeah, new entry. Give 001 and 01. 01 series I am giving like this. Okay, note on.
Done.
Good. Now, click on the save option. Done, na? Next, go back. What you do, you step number 23, right? Maintain number ranges. Okay, maintain number ranges. Click on the group, and here group 001. Select this. Click on the interval. Maintain. Okay, so what interval I said for group 1? I said 1 lakh to 199, right? So in insert interval year 2021, do like this. Okay, 1 lakh to 199. Okay, note down.
Sir, repeat again.
Sir, show me again, sir, and slowly.
Step number 23. Maintain number ranges. Okay. Now click on this maintain number ranges.
Sir, can you show me one, sir?
Step number 23. Maintain number ranges. Okay. 23. Yeah. Click on this. Click on the group. Select the group without text 001. Select it. Click on the interval. Maintain. What is the company code?
PE.
What is my company code?
EEE.
Enter. Then so you see Chalan number range. What is this? It is Chalan number. It is Chalan number range. Right? Insert interval. Click on the insert interval. Year, what is the year? 2021. From number I am giving 1 lakh to 1999. So this is the Chalan number series for the group 1. Okay, please note down. So the Chalan number series I am giving 1 lakh to 199 for the group 1. Okay, note down.
Sir, downside there is number like J1 number, T code.
Sir, which one?
Yeah,
This is
below.
a G code, yes. You can
Okay,
use
sir.
this G code also. Click on the space. Enter. Next. So that is step number 23. Okay, next. Step number 24. Yeah, similarly. Same. Now this is a tax certificate. Certificate means after you have deducted the TDS, after you pay to them, You have to give the certificate to them, right? You have to give the certificate to them, right?
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yes. Yes, sir, yes.
So that certificate we have to give, na, we have to maintain the data related to that certificate, right? Correct or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Form 16.
Yeah. So form 16, yes, we have to give that, right? We have to give that, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, we have to give that, correct? So now,
Sir,
I joined little bit late. Is there anything?
no, just copy take down the steps, okay? Take down the steps.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you have given, I mean, in the last step you said something going to the interval, like from menu bar. Can you please repeat it? My internet connection was a little low.
This one, huh? Step number 23, yeah? Okay.
Yes, sir. Step number 23.
Yeah, step number 23, you go like this. You click on the groups and you select the group like this. Click on the interval and maintain. Company code you give, EEE, and then you insert interval will come here, and then you will maintain the number series like this. Okay, interval you can give like this also.
Thank you.
22 and sir, please sir, show me, sir.
Step number 20. Yes. Note on the steps 21, 22. Okay, note on.
Sir, we also required to take challan for license inclusion and also godown inclusion. For those also we have to take challan from here on.
What for go down?
For license new applications and also for godown inclusion.
No. This is exclusively for TDS, right? So
Okay.
this is exclusive TDS challan.
Okay. Only TDS challans we have to remit.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay, note down. Those who have just joined, note down 21, 22, 23. These four. I am just completed 1, 2, and 3. I am in the middle actually.
I take a screenshot, sir. This is more again, sir, 21, 22.
So 21, 22, if you observe here, 21, 22, 23, same as 24, 25, 26. You see, ditto. Only thing is, this is for the remittance challan, this is for the TDS certificate. Okay, everything else will be same. Okay, I will show you once again, yeah, don't worry. Let me complete this again. Okay. So we go like this, 24, 25, 26. Okay, so now I am going like this. So this is the challan number range. Now TDS certificate number range I have to show you, correct? What it is, so now click on the maintain number groups and script forms. Okay, here you click on the new entries. Then give the company code, right? What is the company code? TEE. Section code is what? Hyderabad 1. Tax is
194.
section type, I don't know, no need to give. Form name is this. This is the form, na? How the form will look like. That form name, right? Now check form we have to given, na? We have given check form, we have given the payment advice form. Now I am giving the TDS form.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, this test, sir, is this 24 or 26?
This is 24.
Okay, sir.
This is 24. Okay, note down everybody.
Sir, these forms, do we have to create this or is this the default one?
Which one? Form name, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a default one.
Okay, sir. We have to type, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, here form, this one you have given us, sir. J1IE. We have to type it separately or?
Underscore.
Yeah, you have to type it. J_1 means 1. IEW means India Extended Withholding Tax, underscore cert means certificate.
We have not given this.
Yeah, we have not given. That was for the program name it is, right? That is the table name. This is not table. This is the form name. Okay, note down the name.
The previous
Previous screen, yeah, this one.
So now can you number groups, sir?
Number group, not number group, yes. Number group we have to give, na? 001 we have to give, correct. Yeah, otherwise we would have got an error. Yeah, thank you. 001.
can I show the previous thing?
I will show you. So everybody completed with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, so that was step number 24. So I am here basically. So these three I maintained to get the challan number. These three I am maintaining to get the tax certificate. Tax number, right? So we want to have a control on the record. So here also same. So here also I am maintaining like this for the tax certificates. So for this combination I am maintaining some series, right? Say something like 2 lakh series. Understand? Yeah. So this is this series is for some series, say 5 lakh series. Okay. To avoid confusion, suppose I am maintaining like this. So for the same group, my challan numbers will start with 1 series, and the tax certificate will start with what series?
5 series.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So I have a control, right? I have a control to whom I am giving, what certificate I am giving, what is the number, I have the control on it.
With type of numbers, sir, we are in control.
Yes. Okay, so now go to step number 25 now. Go to step number 25. Assign number ranges to number groups. Go there. Assign number ranges to number groups. 00101 you give. Okay, again new entries you give like this. Okay, 001 you give and then 01. Perfect. Okay.
Sir, what is 01?
01 is like essay you give 01, na?
Okay.
Before you don't give number in directly, na? You have a one number in the middle, correct?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it, sir.
Sir, 001 number group for both we are given. There is no clash.
There is no?
Clash. Already we are given in that remittance challenge also 001 group.
Yeah, here also I am giving, Yeah, no problem. It will internal number series, it will pick up. No need to worry. It will pick up. Yeah.
Sir, it's difficult to generate the 001 group.
Difficult to generate the group 001?
It's difficult to generate, sir. It's how to generate 001, sir?
Any number, whatever number you give here, the same number you can give.
Okay, sir.
Correct?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. See, the point here is the 01, I have not created the series, right? So let me create. First, this 01 is different, this 01 is different. Yeah, they are totally different. So this 01 will apply for the challan number, this 01 will apply for the tax number. Assign number ranges we have given now, already 25 we have defined, right? Okay, now Now go back next. Maintain number ranges. Yeah. And then click on the groups. So here I have the 001 group. Here I am ticking here. Correct. So this I'm giving the number in directly here. Okay. Now select. Yes, tell me.
Sir, sorry for disturbance, sir. Sir, I have not seen this one, sir. This group without text. I mean, just
Here, that is step number 26.
Yeah, sir. Here.
No.
Sorry. Yeah.
Step number
Yes,
26. Click on this.
Yeah.
Click on groups.
Yes, sir.
Maintain groups. Select the group. Maintain. Okay. Company code. Okay. Now you see withholding tax certificate number. So previously we got challan number, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now here insert interval. Here I am giving directly, right, to 2020-21. Number what said it? 5 lakh, na?
Yes, sir.
Let us give like 5 lakh to 59. Okay, no.
Done, sir.
Done, right? Next. So that was step number 26. Okay. 20. Next. So step number 24. What I have done? I have completed 24, 20, 21, 22, 23. Then 24, 25, 26. Right? Okay. Good. Now step number 27. No. Step number 27. Step number 27. Maintain company code setting. Maintain company code setting. Okay, maintain company code setting. Oh. So I will go like this. So go back here. Go to logistics general here. At the bottom you have logistics general. Yes, somewhere here, yes. Here we have the tax on goods movement. I will show you here, don't worry. India. We have basic settings. Under that we have company code. Okay, note down everybody. So here SPRO. After SPRO, logistics general. Directly SPRO. After SPRO, logistics general. Yeah. Then after that, you have tax on goods movement. Then you have India. Then you have basic settings. Then maintain company code settings. Okay, note down.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now, so now click on maintain company code settings. Yeah. Company code settings. Here, click on the new entry. And here give the company code. What is my company code? TEE company code. And here I will not do anything here. Just I will select first month starting from April. Just give this. Okay. Give the company code and starting month you give. That's it. That's more than enough. Okay, give that.
Yes.
Okay, if you like this, click on the save. That's it. That is step number 27. Next, step number 28. Yeah, maintain withholding tax settings in vendor master record. That is SK02. Maintain withholding tax settings in the vendor master record. Right? So you go like this. So /m FK02. Okay. Now here last thing we never came here. Correct? Actually, this one.
Yes.
Okay, not the last thing. Yeah. We never opened that till now. Right? Now I have to maintain. Have to maintain also.
Sir, our vendor is 38.
Yeah, sir.
38, no problem. Okay. Enter. Now here you see withholding tax country is India. Tax type is T1. Tax code is C1, correct? Liable to pay the tax. Recipient type is company. Same way tax type T2. Code is C2. Liable to pay the tax. Recipient type is company. Okay, note down everybody. Note down. Okay, so this withholding tax related details I have to maintain here, yeah, in the vendor master. That's it. Enter. Perfect. Now, next. So now I have to post invoice. Now I am going to check whether our
Go back to.
yeah. So now I have to check whether our withholding tax process is working properly or not, right? So what I will do, I will post vendor invoice. On that I will deduct TDS and I will pay that TDS to the government, right? All that I am going to check now. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, do we have to create this for individual also?
Yes, same, yes. I am showing you for company, right? I am showing you for only one recipient type and one section. Huh? Same thing will apply for all the sections, all the recipient types. Okay? Right. So this company, depends. See, you understand? This company, it cannot be both, no?
Yes, sir.
Company can be individual or company, correct?
Yeah.
Now, because it's a company, I gave company here. If it's individual, it will not come here, no?
Yeah, you're right.
Right? Any one will apply, right? It cannot be both recipients, no?
Okay, sir.
Now,
Thank you.
next.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
28 steps which you have done is for one vendor. If there are 1,000 vendors, then
No,
it will
only
be applicable.
this is one vendor. This is only one vendor. This is the only step I did it at vendor level.
Okay.
Correct? All other steps are country level or company code level. Okay? Step number 29. Post vendor invoice with withholding tax. First time we are applying the withholding tax. Let us see. FB60. So how much is the withholding tax rate we have given?
2%.
2%, na? Okay.
2%, sir.
Yes, sir. 2%, sir.
Right. So let us do that. So /n FB60. Now company code. What is the company code? It is
sir.
now vendor number is
38, sir.
38. Invoice date.
Today,
Amount is how much?
7,000.
1 lakh I will give. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Easy for us to calculate, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll give the expense account like this and put star here. Okay.
Yes.
Then you see it is giving the message vendor 38 is subject to withholding tax, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I will go to withholding tax. Now here you tell me now I am calculating the tax at the time of invoice or payment.
No,
Invoice. So C2 I don't need, right? Only C1 will apply, na?
yes, sir.
So C1 will apply, correct? So remove C2, not required. Okay, then document simulate. So is this entry correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Entry is correct, no? Yeah?
Yeah.
Good, good.
Exactly.
So debit the expense, credit the vendor, credit TDS on contractor's account, yeah? So 2000 has been deducted, 2000 has been posted to this particular account. Correct? So 2000 we are deducting from the vendor, correct? We are not paying full 1 lakh, we are only paying 98,000. Correct or not? So to 2000 we are going to pay to the
Government.
government. Okay, so everybody comfortable with this?
Yes, sir.
So one important point what you have to remember here is, you have to give the business place and section code, right? Otherwise it will not pick up. Yeah? Remember to give this. Remember to give the business place and section code. Remember to give the business place and section code. Okay? Click on the save option.
The country for listed Andorra,
Sorry?
sir. In vendor market, the country is Andorra.
Oh, it's still Andorra?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Okay, let us change that also then. Okay, before we do this, let us change. It will not affect right now, but to be on safe side. Well, you could notice. We changed it now, maybe we have not saved it. Okay, so now again I will post okay, FB60.
Business place.
Yes, we have to give that also, correct? Yes. So then go to withholding tax. Here remove this one. Enter. Document simulate. Perfect. Okay, now post. Now post. Done. So now in FBL 1N, can you tell me how much amount I will have in FBL 1N?
98, sir.
98.
So what happened to the 2000?
Tax deductions.
FS7, what is the account number? 1,30,000, right? TDS. 2,000 has been collected into this account. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And next.
Sir, where is the tax certificate?
Certificate is the last step, 32 step. Okay, tax certificate is after you pay to government, you give to the party. Yeah, you don't take tax certificate now, yeah, you are collecting, you are not giving the certificate now, okay? No. So certificate will be given once in a year, not every transaction we don't do. Okay? So form 16 is once in a year we give, not every time. So transaction wise we don't give. The background noise. Now let us go. Step number 30. Step number 30 is create remittance challan. What is it? J1INCHLN. Yeah? No. J1INCHLN is the T code. So I am creating the remittance challan to pay this 2000. Now 2000 I have to pay to government, right?
Yes, sir.
So I am going to create a remittance challan to pay this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I am going to J1IN/J1INCHLN. Okay, create remittance challan. So now what number I will get for the remittance challan? Can you tell me?
1 lakh.
1 lakh to
1 lakh. 1 lakh 1.
No.
1 lakh to 2 lakh, sorry.
1 lakh to 1 lakh. From that first number is 1 lakh. Na?
Yes,
First
sir.
number I.
Yes, sir, yes, definitely.
Company code is Fiscal year is 2021. Business
Business type.
Okay, posting dates are 1st November.
J1 is transaction code.
Yeah, transaction here at the bottom. You see, J1IN CHLN. Chalan, India, Chalan. Okay, India and Chalan. Okay, section is what? 194C, right? Yeah.
C.
Okay, vendor not required. Recipient type, it's company, right? Yes. Now document date, what is the date today?
27. Yes.
Now bank account is 2 lakhs, correct?
2 lakhs.
Okay, now click on the execute option. Execute option, document number, enter, select document number, enter. Now you see this 2000 it has picked up from the TDS account. It has picked up this 2000 it has picked up, correct? So what is the entry here actually? The entry here is TDS account is debited to bank account credited, correct? Yeah, how much amount? 2000. So now if you observe here, this TDS account has been picked up. This is picked up. But this is not there, huh? Yeah, let me see. Let's see. Here, you see, now if I click on the overview here, you see now, okay, let me come on the right side here, you see. So here, bank side it is showing only 1 rupee. Correct. TDS account it is showing 2000, right? It is picked up, right? You see blue color means picked up. So now what I have to do, I have to change this 1 lakh to 2000, right? So how I will change? I click on the overview button. So here you see 1 rupee is there now, credit bank account, right? This entry. So credit bank account it is showing 1 rupee. So what I have to do now? I have to change this, right? I have to change it. So I will double click on this and I will remove 1 rupee and put how much?
2000. 2000 రూపాయలండి.
Right? So now if I document simulate, you will get the correct entry. So debit the TDS, credit the bank. Is it clear?
Yes.
The TDS, credit the bank. Okay, again I will show you, right? For
You
your,
show this one.
so J1IN Chalan, you go like this. Then you give the company code, give the fiscal year, give the business place and section code. Then you give the posting date for the month. So month on month you pay, na? Yeah, correct. Section, the recipient type is company, date is today's date, bank account number is this, okay? Now execute, you will get this screen, document number, then it will pick up the open icon, that is the due payment, TDS that has been collected. Now if you come on the right side, debit side amount is selected here, you see, debit side is selected, TDS account is selected, correct now? But credit side bank account it is showing only 1 rupee, so right, to change that what I will do, go to overview, click on the overview, click on the overview first. Then you double click on it, yeah, double click on this, then you remove 1 rupee and put what?
2000 rupees.
2000. Then what you do? Document simulate.
Simulate.
Correct? So debit the TDS, credit the bank account.
Bank.
Okay, done now? So if I
Yes, sir.
save now, what Chalan number I will get?
1 lakh, sir.
Later. So now this is the document now, 10047, clearing document number, 10047. What is my Chalan number? You see, Chalan number.
1 lakh, yes, sir.
Correct? We got it right?
Yes, sir.
Chalan number.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
We configure that Chalan number, sir. Assign, where we assign that number, sir?
We have given here, na? Here, step number 21, 22, 23. Here we have these 3 steps. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, come down next. So that was step number 30. I have completed. Next step number 31. 31 is bank challan update.
Excuse me.
Yes, tell me.
Now, after completing all steps, can you show that bank account 2000 how you have done once more?
I cannot show again because it is already posted. Huh? I don't have the open item now. You understand? The transaction is posted, right?
Okay.
Okay, I can show you, but that will not pick up anything. Because open
Just
item
over
is... Okay, so you go like this, J1IN challan, then you give all this you give. The open item has been selected, correct?
Okay.
So it will say no open items, correct? Yeah, it's not a big deal if you press execute and then click on the overview button. Yeah, write down overview button and change the amount, okay?
Okay. Overview button and amount.
Yeah, the overview button, then you see the bank account will be also 1 rupee, it will be there, double click on that and change the amount.
Okay.
So next, bank challan update. So what is it? J1IN bank. So here, after you pay to the government, now challan you got, right? Now you go to the bank, you deposit in the bank account. And when you have successfully deposited into the bank account of the government, then you come back to the system and update this. Yes, we have successfully paid. Okay, challan we generate. And then see, it's like a check issue. Now, first we will generate the payment document number, then we will issue the check, that person will go collect the money, correct? Same way here also. First we will generate the challan, then we go to the bank, we will pay into the bank, then the challan we will update.
And after 30 number step, if we check the bank statement in SAP, that will show the 2000 rupees. After 30 steps.
That will show the...
In bank FBL1N, that will show that.
Yeah, bank has been deducted now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so that updation only we are giving here, correct? Yeah. So we will go to J1/J1IN bank challan update. Right? So after paying to the government, we will come here and we will update them. Challan clearing number. What was the number? No. Not challan number. Challan clearing number.
47, I think so.
47, correct. 47 document number it is asking. Clearing number. Then challan number?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Challan date?
27.
27, yeah.
Then challan number, bank challan number. When you pay, the bank will give its own challan number. Yeah, that number. Some number, 1000 I think. Okay. Challan date is also today's date. And bank key is HDFC. Okay, note down everybody. Bank challan update I have to give.
That 1000 will bank on my...
The bank will give when you pay, they will give their number from their side.
It's 5 digits.
Yeah, it could be any digit, right? Whatever, 4 digit, 5 digit, whatever, right? It is different from ours. This is internal challan number, that is bank challan number. Okay, for our coordination purposes, right? Future reconciliations, we will have it. Okay? Right. Okay, now execute. Okay, challans were updated. You see, you got this message. Okay? Next. So which means we have successfully paid to the government. Finished. Then what is the last step we have here? That is the certificate. Yeah, issue TDS certificate to the vendor. That is J1IN CERT is the T code. J1IN CERT is the T code. J1IN CERT is the T code. Okay.
Sir, for J1, is there any jurisdiction?
J, jurisdiction 1.
Okay,
It
sir.
means India.
Thank you, sir.
Third means certificate.
EN, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now you go like this. Slash n J1INTERT. Note on print withholding tax certificate for the vendor. Yeah, company code. What is my company code? CE certificate. Fiscal year
2021.
business trade
section.
Hyderabad.
HYD.
section this is bank challan number, and then certificate, background noise. So we are nearly done. Now signatory is this, designation is this, place of printing is Hyderabad. Okay, now. Okay, done? No done? So what certificate number I will get? 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Let us see. Okay, click on the execute now. Now you are going to see the certificate, right? You see now. You click on the print. Click on the print. Values were updated successfully. Now you go to system, services, output control. System, services, output control. You go there. Okay, now click on the execute option here. Now you see this is my certificate, you see. I think this is the one. Yes, correct. Now you see. Certificate, TDS certificate. Can you see it's very small, but you can see TDS certificate number.
Yes.
What is the number?
5 lakhs.
5 lakh. Okay? Yeah. So now here come down, we have the name like this, okay? Here you see certified that a sum of rupees 2000 has been deducted at source and paid to the credit of the central government. So how much amount? 2000, right? What is the challan? 1 lakh, 2000 is omitted and all that. Why I am getting this? This is a branch code it is. Okay, understood now?
Yes.
TDS certificate will be ready to print it like this. So number and all we are controlling. Clear everybody?
Yes. Or can you go back to the details? Once you can details.
Explain.
Which one? How to give this one?
Certificates details.
Yeah. Okay, same.
ఎవరు నుంచి వస్తారా చెప్పేటప్పుడు లేకుండా పోతుందా బొమ్మ క్లాస్
You give that. Bank challan number, not our challan number, bank challan.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, here we giving key code J1, JL, sorry.
J1.
So if you do USD country or Euro country, key code will change.
It will change, right? So the SAP people, they will guide you, right? Here the component based on what your company is buying, accordingly they will support you. Okay? Yeah. So for different countries, they will just give this support for the taxes purpose.
So what is 1000? Bank
Challan number, in the last screen I have given a challan number from the bank.
ఏ ఊరి నుంచి వస్తారా
Correct or not?
అవేవో
In the previous screen I have given.
Sir, this is all done by user or
User.
yes.
So when you execute, you will get like this. So system, services, output control. Then you go here, you can see the certificate.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So with this we have completed the TDS concept also. And with this we have completed the accounts payable. Okay, accounts payables is over.
Oh.
Yeah, next, what is the next topic we have?
Account receivable, sir.
Ledger we are going to start, that is the AR. AR means account, background noise, accounts receivables we have. Now this is again a sub-ledger, right?
Yes, sir.
Sub-ledger. So when I say sub-ledger means what? What will come? Reconciliation process will be there, right? Right? Yeah, but this is the so who will be there in accounts receivables?
Customer.
Okay, so this concept I will start fresh on Monday. Okay, accounts receivables we will start on Monday. Okay, guys?
Okay, sir. Hello, sir.
Okay then. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, show me the sir. I will explain.
Notes pad,
Yeah.
okay, background noise please.
Salman Kumar Malapalli Baranapura.
Okay.
Sir, show me.
So those who are not speaking, just go on mute.
Sir, show me the notepad from step number 4 to 20.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yes, sir. I was absent actually 2 days. So.
Okay, no, no.
Yes, sir. School done.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in accounts payables, just we have created only advertising vendors only. But actually we have some other material also. We are getting goods and all.
That we will have to wait till MM integration I will do. Without MM material management module, you cannot have material, na? That module I will show you. MM also I will teach you. Little bit MM I will teach you.
If you give me
You have to wait until then. Okay?
When we can discuss the FMM integration?
Yeah. FMM integration will come. But once we have certain level, then MM integration I will cover. Okay?
Actually, supposed to complete within the 18 hours. Actually, yes. Now we are moving to here.
GST there. Scroll down, sir.
Yeah, so what I will do is I will take you to a certain level, then I will cover, right? So it needs little CO component also.
Okay.
That's why we have to wait. Okay?
Okay.
Sir, all this process we have to do for other sections also, sir.
Yes, you have to do.
Scroll down, sir.
Do we take bank challan number or else we should do it randomly?
Challan number I maintained, na, it is coming from bank challan number, randomly you can, any number, yeah, don't worry. Because it is not ours, na, we don't maintain.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, done, sir. Thank you.
Okay guys, then happy weekend. We will meet on Monday. We will start.
No class tomorrow.